Guys, welcome back to my channel. So NEET MDS 2022, the dates have been already announced. It is in the mid of the December, and in this video I'm going to share with you a classic strategy of 90 days, how to prepare for NEET MDS in 90 days. Wait, if you're doubting that is it possible to study all 19 subjects in 90 days? Yes, it is quite possible if you follow the strategy completely and follow whatever I'm sharing in this video. So no matter whatever your reason was of not studying, whether you have been lazy or you were waiting for NEET MDS 2021 counseling to happen, now you are not satisfied, you want to reappear, or you are not able to study regularly. Now it's the high time, guys. So you have to start reading 8 to 10 hours per day, okay? Along with this strategy, it will definitely help you effectively study and also help you achieve your goals. Before we dive into this video, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing it, because Dent-A-Woman is all about dentistry and dentist, and I create videos which are highly informative and exclusive. To get the most out of this video, make sure that you have a notebook and pen handy, okay? So guys, we have 19 subjects in total, and each subject is having weightage of 14 questions, okay? So it consists of 56 marks. Okay, so still I have categorized the subjects into two varieties. First is high yield subjects, okay, like oral pathology, physiology, anatomy, pharmacology. And in the dental subjects, high yield subjects are PhD, oral surgery, endo, ortho and prostho. These are the subjects which you should and you must do. The other category is easy to score and important, okay? So those are DADH, radiology and conservative. These three subjects are super easy to score and also important as well. So now as we have 90 days, which means 3 months, okay? For each month, I will give you a bundle of 3, okay? And each bundle consists of 10 days, okay? So in 1 month, you have to complete 3 sets, okay? And what are those 3 sets? I'm gonna share it with you. So I have arranged the subjects accordingly that if you will prepare subject A and B prior to subject C or D, it will help you to link it better and understand it better, okay? So let's start. So in the first month, we have the first bundle of 10 days. In that, you have to study oral pathology and DADH, followed by a grand test of these 2 subjects, okay? The second bundle is of general anatomy and oral surgery, followed by a grand test of these 2 subjects. And if you get a day or so, then also revise the subjects which we did earlier, which were oral pathology and DADH. Now the third bundle of this first month consists of ortho, pedo and general surgery, okay? Pedo is very much covered into ortho as well. And then you will do one basic science ka subject, which is your general surgery, followed by a grand test. Now there is a great importance of giving grand tests on time, okay? If you delay it by a day or so, that is fine, but do not miss or completely avoid giving grand tests, okay? It is just like a test match for you. It will help you to understand that where you are making mistakes, what topics you have understood it well, and where you are still confused, so that you can work it when you are revising all these subjects later. Now coming to the second month, okay, the first bundle of 10 days. So in the first 10 days of the second month, you have to study prostho and DM, followed by grand test. Then in the next 10 days of second month, you will study biochemistry and physiology. And in the last 10 days of your second month, which is, we are close to 60 days of our schedule, where you will study general pathology and general medicine, followed by a grand test, okay? For some days, it becomes really difficult to sit and study for such a long hours, especially after studying for 10-15 days. You feel a lag, like you feel that tiredness, but you have to keep on moving, okay? You have to be self-motivated. And for that, I would say that you should always keep your goals in front of your eyes. Write your goals, write your dream college and your dream rank in front of you, in front of your study table, whenever you are reading. And that will be a great source of motivation for you all. The first 10 days of third month, what you will do is general pharmacology, followed by endodontics and conservative, followed by grand test. The next 10 days, you will do public health dentistry and radiology. And in the another last 10 days, you will do periodontology followed by microbiology. So this will cover all our 19 subjects into 90 days. If you will start now, you still will be having some time for the revision. And revision is must. To score well in your final exam, I would recommend at least 2 to 3 revisions before your exam. That is ideal and definitely give you good results. It was all about 90 days strategy for NEET MDS 2022. If you still require any motivation, any help, any suggestion, then I'm always there. My contact details are in the description box below. And if you want to stay connected with me, you want to follow my clinical work, my daily life and all, then you can obviously follow me on Instagram. And all the very best, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.